हेलो हाय एवरीवन, विश यू अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग। सो तीन चीजें आप सीखेंगे आज, ठीक है। एक है टू स्टे इन अ स्टेट ऑफ सरेंडर, टू स्टार्ट योर डे विद अ स्टेट ऑफ सरेंडर, स्टेइंग इन द नोइंगनेस of having surrendered to God or having surrendered to the divine. And the third thing is how to train your brain to stay in that state for the rest of the day. Okay, so how this exercise is going to help you today is it will help you to stay positive throughout the day primarily. So in that positive emotional state, you will be creating breakthroughs for yourself in your day as well as in your career, because the actions you take today is going to have a consequence tomorrow, isn't it? We all know that. Okay. Okay, so the first thing is to stay in a state of surrender, to get into a state of surrender right from the time we wake up. Okay, so this state of surrender starts right from the time we wake up and not just after we enter the office. तो आपको सबसे पहली चीज क्या करनी है आफ्टर यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग? ओके, अपने हाथों में, अपने पाम के अंदर आपके हाथ की जो रेखाएं हैं, ओके, these lines, these destiny lines in your palm, you just have to look at them and first of all say thank you to God for giving you such a beautiful palm, isn't it? So पहले God को thanks बोलकर, उन रेखाओं को देखकर, you have to remember your most favorite God, okay, whichever God you pray, or whichever force that you pray. Basically, if you are an atheist, you don't believe in any religion, etc., etc., just remember the spirit. Okay, so you're going to look into your palms, look at the destiny lines, okay, and install God's name into it. So now the science behind this is you are literally installing the sound into these lines, okay, and that's where the programming is happening into your neuro language. Okay, so what you're doing is, for example, what you're going to do is, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू प्रे लॉर्ड कृष्णा, ओके, उनका कोई भी नाम आप चूज कर लीजिए, जैसे कृष्ण चूज कर लीजिए या फिर हरि चूज कर लीजिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा's नेम हरि इज माय favorite. So you just have to look into your palm and say Hari, 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 okay, which basically means you're telling Krishna that Krishna, please enter my destiny lines today and act on my behalf. मेरी किस्मत जो है मैंने आज आपको समर्पण कर दिया. Okay, so this is the first thing that you're doing. You're going to surrender your day to the God you pray. Okay, now why did I bring this concept of God into NLP? Primarily because हम सभी को उन्होंने क्रिएट किया, isn't it? And आज की भागदौड़ में हम लोग इतना जल्दी जल्दी जाते हैं कि हम मोस्ट बेसिक चीज भूल जाते हैं जो हमको पता करना होता है. सो इसलिए इट्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर द क्रिएटर हु क्रिएटेड अस एंड हु इज गिवन अस द ब्रेथ, हु इज गिवन अस द बॉडी, द सोल, और सब कुछ जो है हम आज उन्हीं की वजह से हैं. सबसे पहले उनको याद करना है, ठीक है. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो इमेजिन योर मदर एंड फादर इन योर हैंड एंड ऑल्सो थैंक योर मदर एंड फादर, because to those who don't know this, okay, your left brain or your left side of your body is your mother and the right side is your father. तो आपकी जो भी परफॉर्मेंस है, आपकी जो भी किस्मत है, वो मदर एंड फादर की एनर्जी से ही चल रही है बेसिकली. सो उनको भी थैंक्स बोल दीजिए, अपने गुरुज को, आचार्य को भी थैंक्स बोल दीजिए. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, surrender. Now you need to stay in a state of knowingness throughout the day. Okay, now how do you do that? Okay, you just tap into your third eye 3 times, okay, and say Hari, Hari, Hari. Okay, and remember Lord Krishna. So you install the image of Lord Krishna into your third eye. ओके, अपने माता पिता को भी एक बार थैंक्स बोल दीजिए. उनको इंस्टॉल मत करिए क्योंकि वो तो ह्यूमन फॉर्म में है. यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल द डिवाइन इनटू योर थर्ड आई. ओके, एंड यू नीड टू रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ दैट इट्स गॉड हु इज मेकिंग ऑल द डिसीजंस ऑन माय बिहाफ टुडे. थैंक यू गॉड एंड थैंक गॉड फॉर हेल्पिंग यू डू दैट. ओके, द सेकंड स्टेप, वेरी सिंपल, एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू स्टे इन अ स्टेट ऑफ नोइंगनेस थ्रू आउट. अपने पूरे दिन अपने फोकस को जहां पे आपने टैप किया उधर रखना है, so that it gets activated whenever you're stuck with your decisions or whenever you're stuck, for example, say you're sitting in a meeting, you don't know what to say. Okay, so just activate this third eye, and the idea is that God will speak up for you. Right? Anyway, it is God who speaks up, and anyway, it is God who's going to speak up in any situation and help you and protect you and support you. But जब आप ये करते हैं, you are actually installing and making that belief even more stronger. Okay, now the third thing that you do is you are going to train your brain to stay in a positive emotional state throughout the day. Okay, now if you choose too many positive emotions, okay, you can do it. You can just have a chart paper with all those positive emotions written down and stuck on the wall, and you can always do that. Look at those emotions and install all of that. But I would suggest just start with one positive emotion a day. For example, today if I'm choosing gratitude, for example, right, then I can install a thank you into my brain and tell my brain to be thankful for anything and everything, right? So one is saying thank you. as a kind of an autopilot response to whatever people tell you. तो ऐसा नहीं कि किसी से डांट खा रहे हो उनको भी थैंक यू बोल रहे हो, नॉट लाइक दैट, इट हैज टू बी लॉजिकल ऑब्वियसली। लेकिन आपको ओके लेकिन आपको जो है उस पॉजिटिव इमोशन को अपने अंदर इंस्टॉल करना है। सो सी हाउ द अदर पर्सन बिहेव्स विद यू इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल, बट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बिहेव इज डेफिनेटली in your hands, or you have to install it in your brain, right? So what you do is you make a commitment to your brain today, or tell your brain or instruct your brain that you will stay grateful come what may. So you tell your brain that, look, dear brain, please be thankful for whatever happens throughout the day. Okay, you have to talk to yourself and commit to your own self, saying, I will be grateful today come what may. I will be grateful today to my bosses. I will be grateful today to my peers. Today, I will be grateful to my skills, to my confidence, to my education, to the salary that I'm receiving. Today, I'll be grateful for whatever good or bad that happens. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. Today I commit to you, dear God, that I will be grateful come what may. So you can even say, I choose to be grateful, God. Today, I am choosing to be grateful. The positive emotion that I choose for the day is gratitude, and I commit to God that I will be grateful come what may. Okay, so I'm grateful to you. I will be grateful. I commit to be grateful. These are all very powerful statements you're making to your own self, and in turn, you're conditioning or training your brain to follow your instructions. Okay, these are also instructions that you're giving to your brain, and also aligning your heart and body to it. So this gratitude not just should be, trained within your brain, but also you need to act accordingly. So just be grateful, right? Go to the office in the morning. It's like, hi, how are you? So just don't start saying thank you to everyone. Not that doesn't make sense, right? But for whatever little things that people do for you, be grateful to your clients, be grateful to your bosses. Hi, how are you? So thank you, sir. Whatever suggestion you gave me yesterday, it was very useful. You can create these stories, isn't it? See, if you can create negative stories in the office, and if you can tell yourself that the day was bad, and this guy did this, that guy did that, you can also tell yourself that, wow, amazing, I have such amazing bosses. Yeah, they do such great things for me. Oh my God, it's so amazing. My team is so amazing. It's so fantastic, right? So do something that will keep you in that positive emotion, not just for the day, but always. Okay, because having a job in itself, you need to be very grateful for it, isn't it? So 3 steps again: surrender, staying in a state of knowingness by tapping your third eye, and 3, okay, 3, choosing the positive emotion for the day and training the brain to stay in that positive emotion. Okay. So I've given a link below in the description, which has this image of a lot of breakthrough positive emotions, which you can choose. Okay. And you can, for every day, you just choose one of the emotions and stay in that positive state. So this need to be done every day. Okay. ये जो exercises को रोज करना at workplace, at work, and even otherwise, if you just do it even otherwise, even for example, say you may not be working, you may be on a career break, etc., etc. If you practice this on a daily basis, it will start reflecting in all areas of your life, not just in your career. Okay. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please comment with top 3 things that you're grateful for today in the comments, and also share it, reshare it. Okay. Ask more people to attend this 11-day workshop, add them to the group. Okay.